Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Angel Connections. These are 40 message cards by Lynn Araujo with art by Wendy Boccuzzi. Hopefully I'm pronouncing those names correctly. I apologize if I am not. 40 ways to recognize the presence of angels. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $12.95, and as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase these if you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings, and my Whatnot shop where I sell my handmade ritual items and crocheted goodies. All right, thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this our way. Now let's get into it. So the Angel Connections deck provides 40 ways to recognize and interpret the signs of angels all around us, including angel numbers. Each card presents a visual image of an angel sign along with a message that guides the reader to understand and receive the angel's blessing. All right, so it is a magnetic little enclosure here. Oh, that's the back. That's so cute. All right, so there's no guidebook because these are kind of what they call inspiration cards, so there's no need for a guidebook. So what I'm going to do is unwrap this and we'll get right into it. All right, I brought you in a little bit closer because these are the smaller cards. So there's the back. It is a gloss, a little bit of a gloss. I wouldn't call it a high gloss. Oh, it is the US Game System cardstock. Love that. It's not too thick, not too thin. It is sturdy and it will shuffle really nicely. All right. I'm not going to read the text, but we will shuffle and we'll investigate one card. But if you want to pause to read, you can absolutely do so. I do really like that this is involving the angel numbers because a lot of people are starting to connect with angel numbers more, and it explains it, so that's really nice. Almost like these are flashcards. Ringing in the ear, that happens a lot to me. And it's not tinnitus. The illustrations are pretty cute. So you can totally use this for like a daily pull or confirmation with your tarot reading. I like to do that with the other inspiration cards like this that I have. Or you can flip through to see if there's a specific number sequence that you notice to see what it means. I think these make great gifts. Great stocking stuffers as well because they fit into the stockings really well. The art is pretty, it's fun, this feels very calming. Yeah, this seems very sweet, encouraging, empowering. I like the messages that I'm reading so far. Oh, I love Angelite. And, you know, for those of you who aren't really knowledgeable about angels or don't really connect with, you know, the word angel, this can definitely be messages from your spirit team as well. So, you know, if you are deconstructing, you know, Christianity and that sort of a thing, and angel is a word that is a triggering, because I know that that happens for some people, you know, this could definitely be substituted for your spirit team as well. Just want to throw that out there. Well, that's cool that they have archangels in here. Those of you who have been around for a while know that I know hardly nothing about archangels or angels in general. It's not something that I've had a lot of experience with. So I like to learn. And this is cool. I enjoy things like this that I don't really have a knowledge backlog of. So getting to know new information is really cool. All right, they shuffle just like all of the other inspiration cards this size. And let's see, shuffle great this way too. All right, let's get a card to read, please. Well, that was easy. All right, this is so cute. Angels often manifest as nature spirits, sometimes joining forces with trees to bring healing energy to earth. Sitting quietly with a tree will help you feel grounded and renewed by its ancient wisdom. So I think this is fun if you're trying to learn a little bit more about angels or already have a connection to it, or if you want a little something to shuffle and pull for journaling aspects, or if you're trying to get more involved with angels or angel numbers in general. I think this is great. I think it's fun, it's different, and it's accessible. And what I love about this size too is you can just put it in your bag or your luggage, and you can take it with you, you know, wherever you want to go. So it's a great travel deck as well. So now I would love to know what you guys think. Is this something that you are excited about? Is this something you feel drawn to? What are your thoughts? Let me know all of them down below, and leave me an angel emoji in your comment as well to let me know that you made it this far. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this our way. I'm excited to get to know it a little bit better and start learning a little bit more to see what comes up. I am excited to do daily pulls with this for myself to see maybe what I need to focus on or maybe what I'm missing. But I really like that there's a lot of really common things like feeling something, or the archangels, or like the missing items that suddenly appear. I like that there's information like that, because sometimes we can attribute that to a negative experience instead of a positive experience. Like, oh, there must be, you know, negative energies in the house if they're touching me, or, you know, if I'm hearing my name being called, or all of these things. But it also has to do with what you were doing in the moment, what you were thinking and feeling. So there's a lot that goes into these, I'm going to call them quote unquote encounters. So this might help you to kind of deconstruct all of that as a negative and turn it into a positive. Because I know a lot of times we're taught or socialized that certain things are seen as negative and that we should be afraid of certain things. So this would be a great deck to kind of help you through that as well, and to associate some of those things with a positive experience. So anywho, this is fun. It's definitely a great gift and it shuffles just fine. I really do like this size. It's very fun. So thank you all for hanging out with me today. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions, like I said. And if you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.